All right. The first thing you need to know about Alexia is that you have to make sure that you are logged in into alexiaclassroom.com because there are like two Alexias. One has to do with Gestión, and the one we are using right now is the one that says Alexia Classroom. Okay, so this is the link. If you get into another link, look for this symbol that will take you to Alexia Classroom. So once you are in Alexia Classroom, this is the oakhillpilar.alexiaclassroom.com. That is the web address. Well, once you are in, the second thing you need to know is that there are different rooms. You have aulas, taller, and this is the two we are using, all right? So this is aulas. You will only see the first B aulas. I have many here, but okay, this you will have that one and this one, English B1 and B2, that has to do with the two bubbles. So you will have these two aulas. And aulas is what you see here is exactly what the kids see. Then you have taller, and this is where we create the aulas, all right? And the way we work, you see in first form, there are 5 teachers. That would be Isa, Bianca, you, Manu, that was the original teacher in first. So the idea is you create the lessons here in taller, and once they are ready, we publish them into the aulas, all right? What I'm going to show you right now is how to create things in taller, all right? You will see that classroom, the aulas and the taller, they have different sections. You see, when you click here, down there it says secciones. You click here, you will be able to see them. And we create one section per week. You will see that they have the date corresponding to the week, all right? And, all right. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to create a new section so that I can show you how to do it. The first thing you need to do is activate the edition mode. Okay, have a look at this pencil here, this little blue pencil. You click there and it says activar edición. So, all right. Once you see the pencil is yellow now, it means that you can create things. So I will go to secciones and I'm going to create a new section. By clicking on the plus sign, I create a new section. You see, this is the new section. It's called section 25. I'm going to okay, I'm going to give it another name. Did you see what I did to change the name? You just click on the pencil here. Here, what you can do, the symbols you have with this picture, you can change the picture. You see that automatically I get this image for the section, but if you click there, you can change the photo of the section. You have to you need to have it in your computer, and well, you select you choose the file or whatever, and the only thing you have to remember is subir este archivo. You choose the file, subir este archivo, and then it will say save, okay? But I'm not going to change that right now. I'm just showing you, let me go back to the sections, what they mean. This I is that if you put it like this section will be invisible for students. The same thing happens in the classroom, and I mean in taller, children cannot see any of this. But if you publish something in Aula, you can hide it from students. Actually, we do that. Lots of sections in the Aulas, the old sections from March and April are already hidden for them, okay? But well, obviously with the cross you eliminate it, you erase it. So I'm going to get into the X section and I will show you how to add content. As you can see, the section is empty, so there are two ways I can add things. One is añadir una actividad o un recurso, or I can use this módulo rápido, which makes it faster, obviously. And look, when I click on Módulo Rápido, I can click Homework, but we don't use this with Fast Phone. Etiqueta, document, or web page, a web address. What we use is an etiqueta. An etiqueta is, we use it to add content to this. So what I'm going to do, here I have different elements that I can use. And if I click here, it shows me even more buttons. So the first thing I'm going to create is a title. As I said, the teachers create a section per week. So the first thing they do is write the date. I don't know, I'm just inventing, okay? By clicking here, you can make it bigger, all right? And you can change the color, you can change the size, whatever, okay? And another thing you can do to create a title, there is this button that says plantillas, and you have plantillas already created, like this one, organizar encabezado principal. So and here you can change the color. Teachers in general use this to separate dates. I'm going to change, and okay, I'm going to raise this title, and I'm going to write it here. So Monday, August 17th, and and here teachers usually put M as Monday. And then, well, now I have the title. So what I'm going to write is let's learn about, I don't know, you're working with farm animals, so let's learn about horses. I'm just inventing, okay? And what I can do here is I can add a picture, multimedia, like a video, audio, or like this. Suppose I'm going to, okay, wait, I'm going to show you. It's really, really easy. Oh my god, wait. So as I was saying, imagine I want to add a video here. What I can do, by the way, if I click here, I get it, like I can see it like this. So it's better for me to see. What I'm going to teach you is how to insert a video. I go to here that it says insert a multimedia, and I have chosen a video in YouTube. I just look for the link. I copy it. I go back here, and I just put this here. It will look like this. Wait. It will look like this, like that, but let me see when you save it, okay, it does look like a video, all right, okay, and I'm going to continue editing this. Look, once it is published, you can edit it again. I'm going to edit it. And imagine that after watching the video, I'm going to tell them after watching the video, let's match the horse's body parts. And here I want to project an image of a horse with their, I don't know, body parts. And look, I have found this one or this one. One thing you can do that it's very useful is to use snipping tool. I don't know if you have ever used this tool. It is in all computers. In Spanish it is called recortes. It's this one. It's very easy to create because what you can do is download an image in your computer and upload it to Alexa. An easier way to do it is to use herramienta recortes or snipping tool in English. You create a new snip, and what you do is this. You select it and then edit, copy, and you go to etiqueta and you just Control V and the image is there. Alright? So here I have another thing. Remember, guardar cambios y regresar al curso. Obviously, you can if I mean, I have more things to add, but every now and then just save it. I want to show you how it looks. All right. Well, it's taking a bit long. Let me. Well, this is how my etiqueta is looking. I have the video, I have the activity, and now I want to imagine I want to insert a game. So, do you know this page, Word Wall? All right. In community, I have a free account. So in community, I just put horses, and I have this activity in which they have to click on the correct one. That is something you can do. You project this and you do it in the classroom. Okay, but I want to insert this in Alexia. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to compartir, obtener vínculo, but I don't want to put just the link. I want to embed it. Okay, so I'm going to this symbol that is embedded material, and I'm going to put it in English. All right, so that the options appear in the instructions, sorry, appear in English, and I'm going to copy this long link. Then I go back to here. I'm going to put edit. And I'm going to go back to insert multimedia. I'm going to copy this long link as a name, parts of the body game, and I put insertar multimedia. And let's see,